Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone 15 is updated and your carrier supports Esim. This avoids activation errors. Once ready, get the carrier's QR code or activation code. Some carriers use their app, others email a QR. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on so the phone can reach carrier servers. You should also back up your device and note your primary number and any PIN. This protects you if you need to revert or contact support. Now add the Esim. Go to Settings, Cellular, add Cellular Plan, and scan the QR code your carrier provided. This tells the phone which profile to download. If the carrier gave a manual code, tap Enter details manually and type it exactly. Capitalization and dashes matter. Alternatively, open the carrier's app and follow its activation flow so the profile installs automatically. Once the plan appears, label it and select which line is default for calls and cellular data, so you control billing and usage. Finish by waiting for activation to complete. You'll see the carrier name and signal bars in the status bar when done. If the plan stays pending or you see no service, restart the iPhone and toggle airplane mode. This forces a network refresh. Make sure cellular data, voice, and roaming settings match your plan. If problems persist, contact the carrier and provide your iPhone's EID and IMEI. They can push the profile or troubleshoot provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.